Hey YouTube, welcome to the channel. Today we have a 13-inch 2020 MacBook Pro. It is brand new. It has that new 10th generation Intel. I decided to go and actually build this myself. The specs on it are going to be the 16 gigs of RAM, that's DDR4. You're also going to have the i7 quad-core processor, as well as the 512 gig solid-state drive. I decided to go with the space gray just because it looks good. But yeah, so let's look into seeing what's inside the box. Hey everyone. Real quick, just wanted to say thanks for checking out the video. If you have any feedback or want to make any comments, please feel free to leave them. Hit the like, subscribe. I appreciate you guys checking out the video. So the contents that are going to be in the box are going to be, first and foremost, you're going to have the USB-C cable. You can also use that USB-C cable for an iPad Pro that you can plug in and charge directly as well. So you can use the same cable for both devices, which is pretty nice. A power brick. Of course, we're always going to have that awesome user manual that we know everyone reads.